When I first set out to target belly fat, I didn't know where to start. I survived the frustration of trying every workout plan under the sun, but nothing seemed to stick. Then, I spent time researching and discovered a set of exercises that promised to focus on belly fat. I built a daily routine that was simple yet effective. With consistency, I started noticing a change not just in my waistline, but in my mindset too. The key exercises I incorporated were bicycle crunches, mountain climbers, and leg raises, combined with a daily dose of planks. Each move targeted the core, making me feel stronger with every session. Of course, there were challenges. I remember the first week when I felt like giving up because my ABS were burning and progress seemed slow. But I got through it, reminding myself that every rep was a step closer to my goal physically. The results were undeniable. My midsection became more toned and my clothes started fitting better. Mentally, I felt empowered. It wasn't just about losing belly fat. It was about building resilience and confidence. If you're in a busy life, Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Here's my advice. Stay consistent, even on the days when it feels tough. Progress might be slow, but it's happening. Keep track of your workouts and celebrate the small wins. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in the description. Remember, this journey isn't just about losing belly fat. It's about transforming your body and improving your overall health. I saved myself from a life of frustration by sticking with these exercises, and now I feel stronger and more capable than ever. Looking to boost your fitness? The Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier you? Try these belly fat burning exercises and watch as they transform not only your body but your entire outlook on fitness. You've got this.